Once again, welcome our viewer. Today we are looking at revision. This is geography, and this is form 2 work. This paper is out of 100 marks. You can see all the questions are here and the answers, and we are going to discuss this paper from the first question up to the end, so that in a case any question of these ones will be repeated in any exam or even KCSE, you will be able to answer comfortably and get everything. If this is your first time to watch our videos, kindly request you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video like this one, YouTube will automatically notify you. To the subscribers, we really want to thank you guys. Your support has made this channel to grow up to where you can see we have really grown. The subscribers and the returning viewers are very many. Now let us start with the first question. You're told, name 2 types of earth movement that occur within the earth crust. The 2 types or type of movement. Number 1 is horizontal movement, and then a vertical earth movement. Question number 2, set 3 evidence put forward to prove continental drift. Number 1, a fitting of western coast of Africa and South America into a jigsaw. Number 2, considerable displacement of rocks along some faults, e.g. along the Great Glen Fault of Scotland. Next, Red Sea shores show evidence of having undergone lateral displacement, an indication that was formed by movement of the earth crust. Let's go to the next question. Number 2, you're told differentiate between mineral and rock. Differentiate between mineral and rock. Mineral is an organic substance which with undefined chemical composition at or beneath the earth's surface, while rock is an aggregate of mineral particles forming the lithosphere. Let's go to the next question. Describe the following characteristic of mineral. Hardness is different. Mineral have different degree of resistance to scratching, while some are very hard while others are soft. Next, luster, that one is minerals differ in their brightness depending on the nature of the reflective surface. Smooth surface are shiny, while rough surface are dull. Next, you're told 3 characteristics of sedimentary rocks. State 3 characteristics of sedimentary rocks. The rocks are non-crystalline. The rocks form horizontal layers, or they are stratified. 3, the rocks have cleavage, have bending planes. Some sediment rocks contain fossils, remain of plants and animals. Young sedimentary rocks are elastics. We go to the next one. You're told you are planning to carry out a field study on the rocks within your school compound. And Roman 1, you are told formulate 2 objectives you would use for the study. Number 1, to find out the types of rocks within the school compound. Number 2, to find out how different types of rocks are distributed within the compound. Roman 2, you collected the following rocks during study: granite, diorite, and classify each of these sample into 8 mode of formation: granite, indigenous rock; diorite, indigenous rock. Go to the next one. Stage 3, advantages of standing rock through field work. What are the advantages of standing rock through field work? Reduce the monotony and boredom in classroom, helps to apply the skills learned in classroom, give first-hand information on different types of rocks. Next, help to apply the knowledge gained in a real life situation. Next, help to familiarize with rocks. Next, provide in-depth learning. Next, it enhances visual memory, enhances visual memory of rock better than theory, enhances visual memory of rocks better than theory, enhances visual memory of rocks better than theory. Question number 3A, you are told, let's go number 3. You are told mineral mined in the area marked Kakamega is gold, Shivanga is diamond, Isiolo is gemstones. 2 factors that influenced the oblate spheroid of the earth: centripetal force, centrifugal force, gravitational force. These are 2 forces that influence the oblate spheroid of the earth. Next, you are told, the next one, give 3 characteristics of the mantle. Mantle is divided into 2 parts: the upper and the lower mantle. Number 2, upper mantle has lower temperatures than the lower mantle. 3, upper mantle is an elastic solid, semi-molten. Next, the lower mantle is viscous fluid. Next, on the average, the mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick. Next, the mantle has an average density of 3.0 to 4.0 grams. Next, we go to the B. Give 4 reasons why weather forecasting is important. Help the farmer to plan their farming activities. Number 2, it influences design of houses, guides in the timing of sporting tourism activities. It guides in landing and taking it or landing and taking off of aircraft. It guides fishing activities. Next, it guides sporting activities. Go to the next one. Suppose you visited a weather station, a field study on weather. Give 3 methods you would use to record data. Number 1, filming, videotaping, taking photographs. Number 2, observing. Number 3, interviewing. Number 4, reading from secondary sources. Next, administering questionnaires. Next, taking measurement, reading instrument. Next question, you are asked, state 3 advantages of studying weather through field work. It enables students to collect first-hand information, enable learners to learn how to use weather instrument. It enables students to apply the knowledge learned in the classroom. It makes learning real. It provides detailed and broad learning information. Then it enhances visual memory learning. Go to the next question. State 3 factors that influences climate. Factors that influence climate. Number 1 is altitude. Number 2, configuration of coastline in relation to prevailing wind. Next aspect. Next latitude. Next distance from the ocean. Next ocean current. Next wind and air massing. Next human activities. Let's go to the next one. Number 5, identify 2 types of earth crust movement: horizontal, then vertical. Next, boundaries formed when the plate tectonic move away from each other. That one is constructive. You can also call it extension. You can also call it divergent. When the plate tectonics move past one another, that one is transform. Also conservative boundary. Name one form of mountain. This one is very simple. Name one form of one-fold mountain. Africa, we have Atlas and Cape Ridges. North America, we have Rockies and Appalachians. Next, we have differentiate between a simple symmetrical fold and overfold. Simple symmetrical fold are folds formed by compression forces of equal magnitude, which are weak to moderate in strength, while overfold are a symmetrical fold caused by a very strong force pushing against away a resistance of force. And next, we have, apart from fold mountains, name 3 features that result from folding. Number 1, we have rolling plain, we have ridges, then we have intermontane basin. Next, name 2 features resulting from faulting. Faults, a scarp or escarpment. Number 2, tilt block. Next, you are told to say 3 effects of faulting. The resultant features are beautiful, attracting tourism. Next, depressions formed in the Rift Valley contain water that form lakes. Next, faulting exposes mineral, e.g. diatomite, which can be exploited easily. Step faulting make rivers to have waterfalls, rapid cataracts. Next, steep slope or scarp slopes formed discourage settlement. Next, fault scarp make it difficult to construct road, railway. Next, some rivers have had their directions of flow changed, disappeared into fault. Let's go to the next one. Name the Rift Valley in the following continent: Europe, this one is Rhine Rift Valley; Africa, Great Rift Valley; North America, San Andreas Fault. Number 7, you're told to distinguish between volcanicity and volcanicity. Volcanicity and volcanicity. Volcanicity is the process in which solid, liquid, or gaseous material are forced out of the interior of the Earth's crust or onto the Earth's surface, while volcanicity is the process where ingenious material reaches the surface of the Earth. Okay, next, Outline 2 causes of volcanicity. What are the causes of that? Magma under high temperature and pressure moving through a line of weakness of faults. Next, when tectonic plates move away from each other and boundaries give way to magma. Next, underground water coming into contact with the hot materials and changing into gaseous form. Next, give 4 causes of earthquake. What causes earthquake? Number 1, collision of tectonic plates, energy in the mantle. Number 2, violent volcanic eruption. Number 3, nuclear explosion. Next, magma movement within the crust. Next, gravitative pressure. Next one, name 3 types of earthquakes: waves, primary, secondary, longitudinal. Number 8, what is a photograph? A photograph is an image of an object, person, or scene in a form of a print or slide recorded by a camera on a film and later transfers into a specially prepared paper. Next, list the 3 types of ground photographs. We have ground close-up, we have ground oblique, ground general view. Next, name 3 ways in which photograph can be subdivided horizontally. We have foreground, middle ground, and the background. Next, identify the term that describe the following statement. So we have the statement, on the other side we have the term. Study of land forming process, that one is geomorphology. But 2, study of heavenly bodies, that one is astronomy. But 3, study of population, that one is demography. Number C, you are told to state 4 ways a Form 2 student would benefit from study geography. How can you benefit from study geography? Number 1, geography is a career subject. That is, you can develop your career by what? By learning geography. Number 2, it helps the learners to develop skills of observing, reading, and analyzing and interpreting maps, diagrams, and statistical graphs. Next, it enables the learners to understand different environment influence. Next, encourages international awareness and understanding. Next, lead to development career opportunity. That one is a repetition. Next, help the learners to explain the origin of the earth. Next, help the learner to appreciate important social value and time management. Number 9, classify the following clouds as either high, middle, or low clouds. Use a tick types of cloud. Then we have class low, high, and middle. Cirrus stratus, that one is high clouds. Altostratus, that one is middle. Stratus, that one is low. Give 2 factors that are considered when classifying clouds: height, shape or form, and then appearance. Number 10, you are told differentiate between magnetic north and true north. Magnetic north is the north according to the Earth magnetic field, while true is the position of the North Pole as shown in the globe. Number B, state 3 methods of recording statistical data. Which method do we use to record statistical data? Number 1, field sketching. Number 2, mapping. Number 3, tabulation. Next, taking photography. Next, labeling sample. Next, filling questionnaire. Then tape recording. Number 11, we are almost done. Number 11, so define the term map. A map is a representation of a part of the earth or the whole of the earth on a flat surface, like a sheet or paper, as chalkboard, drawn to scale. Give 3 characteristics of sketch map. Should have a title, should have a key, should be enclosed in a frame, neat and clear, should have compass direction. We are through with this video, and we thank you so much for watching from the beginning up to the end. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we request you to take this time and subscribe to our channel. You can also share this video with your friend, and also we are requesting you to like this video. If you like this video, it will be recommended to other viewers across the world, and they will benefit just as you have benefited out of this work. In this channel we have other subject revision videos like Kiswahili, English, biology, chemistry, and all other subjects. And we believe if you keep visiting this site or this channel, you will be able to pass your exams, may it be CAT, mid-term or end of term exams. We thank you for watching up to the end. Until next time, goodbye for now.